Well, I'm starting off the day getting a haircut. It's been about 2-3 weeks. Going to the same spot, pull up. Let's hope the same barber's there. So people love the cut last time. A lot of positive comments. Yeah.
That's what's up, bro.
A lot of people were saying I should try a taper fade. I don't know what the difference. What's the difference between a taper and a regular fade?
We did like a 3 on top, 1 on the sides.
Yeah.
So a taper, we could do a 3 on top, 1 on the sides, and then we'll do like a.
What is the definition of a taper or fade mean?
A taper fade is usually when like they talk about like a blowout haircut when there's like a little
Like
fade
skin?
right here.
Oh, okay.
And then in the back also. So your sideburns and the back of your neck are just faded out.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I don't know shit about hair, so I mean, if that might look better in your opinion, then we could give that a try. I just the comments were flooded. Oh, you should try a taper. You should try a taper. Like, what the fuck is a taper? It's like, oh, okay, so we'll give it a try. Well, again, another clean cut, and we did do the taper fade, which I guess it's kind of like, as you guys see, the beard kind of like goes into it. I'm not sure how I feel. I probably won't do the taper fade just because I want to have the full, you know, beard coming in. But we had to give it a try, you know. I think it looks really nice. Obviously the tape is really nice. Now I'm kind of continue my day. Yesterday I did go out and lay at the sun, so that's why it's kind of a bad tan. I think I'm gonna hit up a couple thrift stores, so let's get up some thrift stores. Look at this, like an old school Ford family printout. There's no date on them though.
Oh, no, don't worry about it.
Last time we came to this thrift, we ended up hitting gold. We got the Grateful Dead shirt, the Guess jeans, little mirror. Unfortunately, we're not really finding much, probably because we hit it up the other day, but let's keep going. I'm on like the 3rd rack of shirts and haven't found anything. 1991, little Maui all over fish shirt. Unfortunately not double-sided. They want $5 though, kind of expensive. Just for like a basic vintage fish shirt. This crazy Harley Davidson Streak Lightning, double-sided, huge logo. Pretty sick. It's a size medium, sadly, because I want this for the personal collection, but no worries. Someone else will be happy with this. Well, I quickly ran to Goodwill just to see. This Goodwill, like I said, it's always a hit or miss. You either find nothing or you find everything, so let's see. Probably just be a quick in and out though. These are kind of cool. Liz Sport, little like overalls, shorts though. Short sleeve overalls. Little gray tag Nike, little Nike Air. What's this? Little old school Marlins logo. Got this new age Guess little black jacket. $20 though, kind of expensive. Straight off a new rolling rack, we do have this Nautica jeans little crew neck. Fortunately, they want $8, so I'm just gonna pass on it. Nothing too special. Unfortunately, nothing good at this Goodwill. Probably just head out. Jordan shorts. Got this Nike jersey, Nike basketball. I think these are Oakley's Holbrooks. I've had these before, but with green lenses, not black. But I can't tell if there's an Oakley sign or not. Really can't go wrong. I also see this necklace too.
Esteban. Yeah, it could be.
Like that silver one? Has that Versace logo, Medusa. So I'm gonna continue looking around this thrift. I am gonna get those Oakleys. The lenses are horribly scratched, but I just looked on eBay. I can get replacement lenses for about $10. So honestly, those retail for $120. I'm just gonna get new lenses and add them to the personal. Those will be like my shades when I wanna go to the beach and whatnot. And then that Versace, I don't think that's an actual Versace necklace, but it does have the Medusa head as well as the Versace logo going around it. So that was a little come up. As far as clothes, we're not really finding anything good for clothes, so I guess we're just gonna probably leave it those two, unless we find something crazy just sitting here.
Just that one or you want more? Let me know. Just go ahead and keep looking. Let me know when you're done. Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Did you guys sell that microphone by chance you posted a picture of?
I don't know if he found it yet, to be very honest.
Oh, really? He just had an old picture of it? Do you know which one I'm talking about?
Yeah, the silver one.
Yeah. It's like an old school style.
I don't know if you see the garage. It's still
No, I haven't. I just pulled up. Oh, wow.
We're working on it.
Yeah, no worries. Do you know, clothes-wise, is there, I usually look like vintage clothes. Is it like old clothes? Is it more newer clothes that's just been sitting, you think?
Yeah,
or?
there are a bunch of newer like shirts and a lot of name brand stuff, a lot of sports team stuff. I wouldn't say so much vintage.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
Babe, we've got 3 shirts, or 4 shirts. I don't know if you wanna...
There's just so many boxes.
I pulled up like 2 weeks ago and around 7 and just no one was here.
I was out of
I didn't know if
town.
it was an estate sale. You were supposed to knock on the door.
I went out of town and I ended up coming back and my mom got sick.
Oh, okay.
Mom went to the hospital. It's not my bike. It's not my bicycle.
Oh yeah, it's mine, sorry.
I sell it, but I can't. Here, this.
This Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah, look, this. What we got here?
To clean guns.
Busy morning. Tired morning. Yeah. Work all morning. Work all weekend. Work all weekend. Make that money. Yeah. Guys, inside the garage. I don't know if you guys work inside the garage.
Baseball cards. Let's go inside. Wow, look at all the boxes. Women's Ricky Williams.
I will actually, this, the belts, and I have long
Glue gun.
Correctional institution.
Boy Scouts or something?
Yeah, I read
Bunch of cards. And then there's a bunch in here, like. Oh, these, look at these, 1993, 1984.
Alright.
No idea of the value though.
Yeah, you gotta go through it.
When I put this stuff back in, because I might get all this stuff kind of going, I'm hoping that most, because I have to restock that place. It goes, and then I have to pull back out, and it goes, and then...
Look at this old school camera. Power zoom, 8mm. This thing's crazy.
They come in like boxes.
Only in Florida will you see a fake roar. That's so funny. I wonder how much they want for this thing. How much for the roar? Only in Florida. I know it's not real if I had to assume.
Once you've had kids,
Yeah.
it's kind of hard to hide those things.
Yeah. No, it's a plant vase.
I'll take $2 for it.
$2?
Yeah.
I mean, I never did.
I'll take 2 for that.
Now I don't have to.
I'll take it for $2, I guess. Might as well. Maybe I can use something for it.
You just have to find the...
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I think I might have a down stem for it. I just don't know.
It works.
In the garage, they have so much stuff. I've never seen these. Look at these 98 champs. Beam babies.
There's nice breeze.
Griffey Jr. Patriots. Thomas. What's this? Puck. Harley Davidson, but super piling like crazy. Probably head to the next one. Oh, turn around. Look at this peacock. Oh my gosh. This neighborhood is filled with peacocks, literally. Oh my god, you hear them all? That's great. Damn, at first glance I thought this was a Carhartt jacket just because like the zippers and like literally the aesthetic of it, but it's not. It's a Tri-Mountain. New Age Tommy Hilfiger. They want 20 bucks to have a little Hilfiger spell out. Size small. Look at this, True Religion. Size 3XL. Has like the Mexican blanket on top. How much is it though? 30 bucks. It's actually really cheap. Wonder if it's authentic though. Polo Sport. I was here the other day, so a lot of the same shoes are sitting. Like for example the Ultra Boost. And then the Jordan Space Jams. What is this? Adidas Overkill? Overkill, $80. Never heard of these before. Well, I finally made it back home and I quickly have to edit this video. It's already 6 o'clock and I'm probably gonna have this video running up late. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Now, everything that I did find, for example, the little Versace pendant, if that will focus. I'm not sure if it's authentic or not. I'm gonna maybe try to take it and get it looked at to see if maybe it's authentic. I don't know. A lot of people have DM'd me on Instagram asking if it's for sale, how much, let them buy it, blah, 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 blah. For the time being, it's gonna be on my neck. This is the chain that I got at the yard sale that had that pink pendant, so it kind of worked out nicely. It's like perfect, like hanging down. And yeah, nice little Versace necklace. Now as far as the clothing, they will be for sale. I did grab obviously the Harley Davidson size medium. So fire, double-sided. I wish that was my size. The LeBron James double-sided, which is about a size 2XL XL. And in the past video, you did see me pick this up. If anyone is interested in this, send me an Instagram DM. It's gonna be kind of difficult to ship. Think I would have to do is unscrew these screws, just so that way I could like keep these separate, because obviously you can't ship as is. I feel like through USPS, them doing it will probably get damaged and just broken. But just let me know if anyone's interested. It has like the Guess little logo. There's one on eBay for $150. I would probably ask like 80 plus shipping. So make sure you guys check out link down below, emcvlogs.com. Every purchase does help support these daily videos, and I post a ton of fire every single day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you guys come back tomorrow for another vlog at 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.